example in order to illustrate the practice how and use odd ratio in order to interpret a risk factor. We have a sample of 200 individuals in which we have 100 men and 100 women that have drunk wine in ongoing week. So we define our main variable, that is alcoholism. You are alcoholic if you have drunk in this week while you have drunk in the previous week. Every person that we have selected have drunk in the ongoing week, and person that didn't drink in the previous week are supposed to be non-alcoholic. That is why how we have defined our variable alcoholism. So in our sample we have 19 men that have also drank the last week that are alcoholic, and only 10 of the 100 men have not drunk on the previous week. And let's look at women population. If you look at women population, we can see that 20 women in our sample have drunk in the previous week among 100 men that have drunk of the current week. So we can calculate the odd ratio, and we found that odd ratio is 36. That means that being men is a risk factor of developing alcoholic factor. That also means that in the group of men, alcoholic is 36 times more higher than in the women population.